In today's video, we are going to draw some birds. Guys, I will teach you how to draw the birds. Simply, first of all, I will use a lead pencil. First of all, I'm going to draw a tree branch. After that, very simply, I'm going to draw its tail. Very simply, I will draw a structure there, and I will also draw a structure there. And finally, what I have to do, that is to draw its head. It is simpler, not difficult. Now I'm going to sharpen it, and I'm going to show you how can you complete it. Okay, only the thing that is okay. Now you can see how I have drawn this structure. Now only that things. Now I'm going to highlight it with the marker color. Yes, friends. The branch of a tree is still available. If you want to draw some leaves, then you simply have to draw structure like this. Okay, and very simply you can also draw leaves there. Okay, and you can also give shades to them. Okay, like this, friends. That is a drawing for a bird. Very simply, very simpler. And now also its toes, that is a bird sitting on a branch. Friends, a bird sitting on a branch. Please subscribe to my channel. A humble request. Now I'm going to show you one other simple drawing. Friends, now I'm going to make a drawing just in a minute. Okay, now let's start and see. This is a branch of a tree. Okay, friends, this is a branch of a tree. Now I'm going to show you something. Here are two birds that are sitting together very simply. One is here, and the other is also closer to it, and similarly the other is also sitting closer to him. Okay, friends, very simple and very easy drawings, you can see. Yes, friends, now the only simple thing is that two birds sitting together, two birds sitting together, two birds sitting together, together, the loving birds. Okay, now friends, these were some simple drawings. A humble request, please to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I will come back with a new video tomorrow. Now finally I have also highlighted them with a blue color. So thanks for watching, friends. Goodbye. Let's see tomorrow with a new video. Okay, I will also, okay, so that I also shared it. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.